Well, I'm here looking at them, what I'm going on with. Them says a holiday, but some say a Follyday, you know? Yeah, a Follyday, because that a folly go on also, you know?
So tell me, what does emancipation mean to you?
Emancipation. Well, I don't know this emancipation business will go still, you know. Because if you're emancipated, you're supposed to is emancipated in your mind. And right now, the mind of the people is not emancipated. So the mind control the body. So the emancipation thing, you still, you know, them say independence, emancipation, them say independent, but you're still independent. It's not a freedom.
So yeah, agree with Bob Marley when he said emancipate yourselves from mental slavery.
That's the first thing, the mental slavery, you have really emancipate yourself from, because if you don't emancipate from mental slavery, then the whole body will be in slavery, so the lightning flash. Yeah.
So you're going to play something for us today?
I am playing
All right.
the one
Let me
to
hear
give
it.
the heartbeat, you know.
Okay. So,
My brother over there, ready to give the history.
so what's your name?
Well, Joseph, you know,
And where are you from?
out of Trenchtown.
All right, so your friend over here said that you're ready to give us some history. What would you like to tell our viewers?
Well, the history about slavery and emancipation. Emancipation is a day, the first day that the slave them here that they should be free. Everybody throw down their arm and their tool, pickaxe and everything, and they run for freedom. That's emancipation. They didn't work for that whole day a week on the plantation because that where their freedom come along. So they emancipate away from slave masters, no work. So in this time, emancipation, it were an independently thing for people in their self. Yeah, to control their way of life now and to stand on their own holy ground. You see, out of that slavery until today, we had a title that was being the pride of emancipation, the pride of black people to be here.